Hello, my name is Bipin Khadiora, and this is my reflective presentation um, for PAQM um, and on the foundation of project management. Over the past 4 weeks, I have gained a proper concept of project management. Okay, let's start. Key components and understanding. One of the most important concept I have learned from uh, this subject was project management framework. I used to think project management was just about scheduling um, tasks, but I now understood it involves structured process such as understanding, initiating, executing, and monitoring, and also the closing the tasks. The framework ensures that project stays aligned with organizational goals. Um, Another key concept was the IT context of project management. Uh, it IT projects are unique because they involve uncertainty, rapid technology change, and involving user requirements. I also learned the difference between agile and traditional waterfall methodologies. Um, Waterfall follows a linear sequence, while agile is uh, iterative and adaptive. Finally, project time management stood out to me. Um, Tools like work breakdown structures, Gantt chart, and scheduling techniques uh, helps us to develop and manage projects. Okay, my shifting in thinking. My shift in thinking. Sorry. Before this course, I believe uh, project management was mostly adaptive, administrative. Um, the, that means organizing meetings, assigning tasks, and tracking about deadlines. But my perspective was changed through this course. Um, I now see project management as a strategic discipline that requires leadership, communication, risk management, and uh, adaptive adaptability. One assumption was that what changed was the idea that planning happens only at the beginning. Um, Another shift in my thinking was realistic, how important stakeholders engagement is, and IT project often fail not because of technical issue but also because expectations are not managed well, and that doesn't meet the expectation. Application to an IT project. To apply this concept, I chose a simple IT project, developing a mobile app um, for university students to track assignments. For this project, I would choose agile methodology. The reason is that user requirements may change um, during making the applications and also after its implementation. So, while testing early versions, it might change. Uh, so agile methodology will be best. It allows for iterative development, frequent feedbacks, and continuous improvement of the project. For time management, I would break the project into sprints. Um, each sprint will include mm, tasks such as UI designing and UI designing and backend development, testing, and review. Daily stand-ups and backlogs grooming would help keep the team aligned. Challenges and confusions. It happens in every projects. And one concept I initially suggested with was oak breakdown structure (WBS). I found it challenging to break a large project into smaller logical components without jumping straight into tasks. To overcome this, I reviewed examples, practiced creating WBS designs, diagrams, and so on. Future application. These concepts will be extremely useful in both my studies and future IT career. In group assignments, I can apply project planning techniques to organize tasks and management and to also manage deadlines more effectively. In conclusion, the first 4 weeks of this subject have given me a strong foundation in project management. I have gained valuable insights into framework, methodologies, time management, and realities of IT projects. These skills will support my uh, academics work and prepare me for real world IT challenges. Here are some references which I have taken for this um, first assignment, and thank you all.